Ndeweno, hello, and welcome to Igbo Academy. Aha m bụ Nwaada Chioma. Isiokwu anyị tata bụ atụmatụ okwu. Ka anyị si wee mara atụmatụ okwu n'olu bekee bụ figures of speech. Atụmatụ okwu anyị ga-ekwu maka ya tata bụ Igbuduokwu. Igbuduokwu n'olu bekee bụ paradox. So you're going to talk about paradox in Igbo language. And in Igbo language, paradox is called Igbuduokwu. Igbuduokwu bụ atụmatụ okwu. Ọ na-abụ ekwuo, ọ dịka o nweghị ihe ọbụla nwere isi dị n'ime okwu ahụ. Mana ọ bụrụ na echebara okwu ahụ ekwuru echiche ime nke ọma, a ga-achọpụta na ọ bụ naanị amamihe na nghọta jupụtara na ya. I'll read it again. Igbuduokwu bụ atụmatụ okwu. Ọ na-abụ ekwuo, ọ dịka o nweghị ihe ọbụla nwere isi dị n'ime okwu ahụ. Mana ọ bụrụ na echebara okwu ahụ ekwuru echiche ime nke ọma, a ga-achọpụta na ọ bụ naanị amamihe na nghọta jupụtara na ya. So this paradox is a figure of speech which, if it is said, look as if you didn't say anything. It will sound as if nothing is being said. But if you think about it very well, you see that sentence is full of wisdom and understanding. You see that it makes sense if you think about the sentence. But when the person says it, you just think that the person just said anything. There's nothing wrong with what the person said. But when you think about it, it makes too much sense. Igbuduokwu na-abụkarị okwu akpa uche, n'ihi na ọ bụrụ na ilebaghị anya nke ọma n'ihe e kwuru, ị gaghị ewere ya ka okwu dabara adaba. Ị ga-ewere ya dịka okwu enweghị ọkpụrụkpụ ihe ọ na-akọwa. So if you don't think about these sentences, these paradox sentences, you think that it's just an ordinary sentence that doesn't make sense. But when you think about it very well, you see that it really makes sense. An example: ụbọchị onye ara mara na ọ na-awị ara ka ọ ga-akwụsị iwe ara. Ụbọchị onye ara mara na ọ na-awị ara ka ọ ga-akwụsị iwe ara. So what it means is that the day a madman finds out that he is mad is the day he stops being mad. Is the day the madness stops. The day a mad person finds out that he is mad is the day the madness stops. Some will say ụbọchị nwa ohu mara na ọ bụ eze. I don't know, I've forgotten about it. But it means the day a slave finds out that he's a king, that is the day that he stops being a slave. So when someone says, maybe when you're talking to somebody, the person says the day ụbọchị onye ara mara na ọ na-awị ara ka ọ ga-akwụsị iwe ara, you just take it as if it's an ordinary sentence. But when you go and think of it, you then know if the person is talking to you. The person comes to you and tells you ụbọchị onye ara mara na ọ na-awị ara ka ọ ga-akwụsị iwe ara. So you have to go back and think, why is this person saying this? The person just says it and just goes. But if you think about it, you find out that there is something that is not normal, that is not something you're doing or something that around you that is not going the way it's supposed to be. So for a mad person to know that, you know how mad people used to behave. They walk under the sun, under the rain, they don't mind. They eat from anywhere they want to eat, they don't mind. They are naked, they go around, people look at them, they don't mind. But the day a madman finds out that he's naked and covers himself up, that the rain is falling and goes to look for shelter, that the sun is shining on his head and he covers himself, and that the food he's eating is dirty and he takes care of it. That means that the madness has gone. It means that the person has become somebody. So this Igbuduokwu, that is paradox, is just telling us that if these sentences are being said, you have to think about it very well to know what is being said, to know the sense that it is supposed to make or it makes. Thank you so much. This will be the end of this lecture. Please don't forget to subscribe. Okay, Messia.